a model that I made a long time ago, custom Dexter. All these areas are filament, printed in filament, roof, sides, and I had to paint this yellow area, and I just painted a little bit on these eyebrows and pupils. I did not paint the face. Now, updated, the only thing I update is this whole area is not paint. It's a filament. It's a different color. It's one single piece, obviously, and the face is made out of resin. Much better face for Dexter. The only thing it requires is to need to be painted. Other than that, this fit only for Hit Toy or Tomy. I do not recommend this for Mattel. It will not or won't fit on Mattel chassis. Only for Hit Toy and Tomy. Yeah, for those who wants to customize or create one of these models. I will have an update on my eBay page pretty soon, or check my posts